Good morning. Welcome to online classes. My college is Indira Priyadarshini Government Degree College for Women, Nampalli, Hyderabad. Today topic is algae. Algae introduction, classification of plant kingdom, definition, general characters of Thallophyta, algae general characters and structures of algae and algal classification. Presented by B. Jagan Mohan, lecturer in botany. Plant kingdom. Classifications of plant kingdom. First of all, the classification of plant kingdom is necessary to study plants in a scientific manner. The plant kingdom in traditional classifications comprises of organisms which have cell or cells which cell wall and absorptive mode of nutrition. Bacteria, fungi and lichens are also included in the plant kingdom. This classification based on the first phylogenetic system of classification proposed by Eichler in 1875 to 78. The plant kingdom is divided into two sub-kingdoms. Total, the plant kingdom is divided into sub-kingdoms, which is total the plant kingdom two sub-kingdoms. First one is Cryptogam, second one is Phanerogam. The Cryptogam divided into sub-kingdom Cryptogams divided into three divisions. First one is Thallophytes, second one is Bryophyta, third one is Pteridophyta. The Thallophyta is divided into three classes. First one is algae, second one is fungi, and third one is lichens. These subdivisions, divisions are include cryptogams and sub-kingdom Phanerogam divided into two divisions, gymnosperms and angiosperm. Angiosperm divided into two subdivisions. First one is monocotyledon and second one is dicotyledon. So then after cryptogams, sub-kingdom cryptogams. Cryptogam is cryptogams are flowerless and seedless spore plants. Flowerless and seedless spore plants. They produce only spores. These show the following features. They never bear flowers, fruits, and seeds. They reproduce asexually by spores and sexually by gametes. And this subkingdom cryptogamy is divided into three divisions. Number one is thallophytes, second one is bryophyte, third one is pteridophytes. So, thallophytes. Thallophytes. Thallophyte means the plant body filamentous type of plants. Plant body filamentous type of plants consist in this group. So this group Thallophyta plants. Thallophyta is the largest division of cryptogams. Thallophytes are simplest and the most primitive plants. All of them have thallus body which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Here a thallus refers to a plant body which is not differentiated into true roots, stem and leaves and lacks a true vascular system. Thus shows the following silent features. Number one is the plant body means thallus may be unicellular or multicellular. Vascular tissues are absent, totally absent. Next, the sex organs, gametangia, are usually unicellular or non-juncted. Next one is embryo is not formed because zygote divide by meiosis to form meiospores. The life cycle is usually haplantic. This division Thallophyta is classified into two subdivisions. Number one is algae, second one is fungi. So, algae. Algae is here the algae. Algae are chlorophyllus bearing thalloid organisms. The plants may be microscopic as well as microscopic, unicellular or multicellular. The algae are known to mankind of the time immemorial as food and fooder. In Latin word alga means seed. seaweed, seed. The study of algae is called phycology. The algae includes about 300 species distributed all over the world. And algae are chlorophyllus means green color, phototropic and usually aquatic thallus. They are characterized by following features. Number one is algae are predominantly aquatic and occur in marine as well as freshwater habitats. The thalli of them may be unicellular or multicellular that show a great variation in morphology. The cells have chloroplast or chromatophores with photosynthetic pigments. The reserve food material is usually starch. The cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. They produce by vegetative, asexually and sexually methods. Sexually reproduction may be isogamous, physiologically anisogamous, anisogamous or oogamous type. They show progressive evolution in sexuality. And here habit and habitat. They may be free floating, free swimming or attached to the bottom in the shallow water. According to habitat, algae can be classified as follows: aquatic algae, terrestrial algae, aerophytes, caryophytes, thermophytes, and alga of unusual habit. Pigments. Here, alga pigments, color of alga varies due to presence of different chemical compounds called as pigments. Photosynthetic pigments in algae are of three kinds: chlorophyll, carotenoids, and phycobilins or biliproteins. These are pigments. Next, algal structure. Algal structure. Here, first one is cell wall. The cell wall is made up of two layers. The outer amorphous layer of pectin substances and the inner fibrillar cellulose layer. And some species contain hemicellulose and organic acid, and some of species are silica and pectin. These are the cell wall. The flagella is two types. Number one is acronymatic and the second one is tin cell. Next, pyrenoids. Pyrenoids are present in the surface of the plastids. Stored food products is starch, floridon, starch, laminarian, and mannitol. Next, Golgi bodies. Every cell, Golgi bodies are present in the algal cells except blue-green algae. They may be situated near the flagellum base or near the nucleus or near the plastids. Golgi bodies are composed of 2 to 20 lamella. Each stalk is called a dictyosome. The functions of Golgi bodies is not known, but they may be associated with the formations of cellulose cell wall. This is the Golgi bodies. Next, mitochondria. Mitochondria well organized in the group of algae. All group of algae well organized mitochondria are present in the groups of algae except in blue-green algae. A mitochondria is surrounded by a double membranes envelope. The inner membrane shows infolding called cristae. The size and number of mitochondria per call may vary. They are concerned with respiration. This is the mitochondria. And vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane bond cell organelles. Its role in osmotic functions and absorptions of solids and water. In motile algae, two types of vacuoles are recognized. The simple or contractile vacuoles and second one is complex vacuole. The simple vacuole shows periodic contraction and expressions and through the waste products out of the cell. Next one, the complex vacuoles are present. Each complex vacuole consists of a tube-like cytopharean and large reservoir and a group of vacuoles. This is the complex vacuole. Next, eye spots. The eye spot are stigma present in every cell. The motile cells of algae have a pigmented spot known as eye spot or stigma. It is an argon red streak like light sensitive photoreceptor organ. It may be located in the anterior, middle or posterior part of the cell. New stigma arise either divoni or by division of pre-existing stigma. This is stigma. And nucleus. Nucleus is present in the all group of eukaryotic algal group. nucleus. Almost all algae except cyanophyceae have a well organized eukaryotic nucleus. Most of the algal cells are uninucleated, but the cells are multinucleated or xenocytic in symphonels. The chromosomes are small, often numerous, and range of 5 to 48. In algae, divisions of nucleus may or may not be accompanied by valve formation. This is the nucleus. This is algal structure, general characters, and next one is classifications of algae. The algae classification. One of the best known algal classification was proposed by Priest, divided into 11 classes. He is the one of the algalist, British scientist, biological scientist. His full name is Felix Eugen Pritz, 1879 to 1954. He is best known internationally for his comprehensive two-volume of publications, The Structure and Reproductions of Algae, 1935 to 1945. He classified the algae into 11 classes on the basis of types of pigments, nature of reserve food material made of reproduction, etc. Classification is based on their pigments, flagella, and reserve food material. Total algae he classified into 11 classes proposed by Pritz are follows. They are classes. Number 1 is Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonadinae, Eugleniophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, and Mixophyceae. And here 11 classes and their pigments and types of flagella and stored reserved food given below the table. First class is Chlorophyceae. The Chlorophyceae the member of this class are commonly called as green algae. Chlorophyll A and B present in their plastids impart them bright green color algae. Majority of them grow in fresh water, 90%, but there are some marine forms. They exhibit a wide range in their thallus structure and morphology. They may be unicellular motile, example Chlamydomonas, unicellular non-motile Chlorella, Cenobium valvax, filamentous unbranched Spirogyra, filamentous branched Cladophora, filamentous heterotrichous Coleochaete, and Siphoneus vacheria. The cell wall is made of cellulose in cara and some of calcium carbonate. Chloroplasts are of various shape in and size. It is cup-shaped, grid-shaped, reticulate-shaped, spiral-shaped, or discoid. The chloroplast is usually associated with pyrenoid. Starch is the reserve food material. Flagella is anterior end. The vegetative reproduction takes place by cell division, fermentation, and asexual reproduction occur by fermentation of zoospores. Sexual reproduction range from isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. The sex organs are unicellular or multicellular. Zygote is the only diploid structure in the life cycle. This class consists of 9 orders: Volvocalis, Chlorocalis, Allotricalis, Idogonialis, Cladophoralis, Cutophoralis, Conjugales, Siphonales, and Caryales. These 9 order. The Chlorophysic class consists of 9 orders. So this is the Chlorophysi. Second one is Xanthophysi. The Xanthophysi members of this class are commonly called yellow-green algae. As the carotenoids occur in axis over chlorophylls, majority of them are freshwater planktonic form epiphytes. Leave Chlorophysi. The Xanthophysi also show great variations in their structures. They may be unicellular and motile, and palmelloid, coccoid, colony, filamentous, and siphoneous. Example, Vacheria. The cell wall is made of pectin substances. Each cell has discoid chromatophores. Pyrenoids are present. The main photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and E. Chlorophyll B is absent. Carotenoids and xanthophylls are abundantly present. Island fat are the main reserve food material. Starch is absent. So this class consists of four orders. Number one is Heteroclariidales, Heterococcales, Heterotrichales, and Heterosiphonaales. This is the second one, Xanthophyceae. And third one is Chrysophyceae. This class is out of syllabus. This class character is, these algae are commonly called golden algae and are typically planktonic unicells. These are unicellular with a two unequal flagella that organic in anterior side. Some like amoeboid movement. Here in table, the class is contain pigment A and B, chlorophyll A and B, and carotenoids and flagella types and stored foods. Next, fourth one is Bacillariophyceae. The class Bacillariophyceae includes unicellular plant kingdom algae which are commonly known as diatoms. The plant body means the cell is box shaped and is composed of two overlapping halves. The epitheca and hypotheca is present. The cell wall is silicified and ornamented. The cells are diploid and are radially symmetrically chromatophore are yellow or golden or brown in color with chlorophyll A and CB carotenoid and xanthophylls like phycoxanthan and diatomine. Here see Bacillariophyceae pigments and flagella types and reserved food material is leucine and fats. Next, fifth one is Cryptophyceae. Sixth one is Donophyceae. Fifth and sixth, this class is out of syllabus and Chloromonadinae, Zyglinophyceae, this is also, and ninth one is Phaeophyceae. As per syllabus, Phaeophyceae and next one is Rhodophyceae. The Phaeophyceae algae, the members of this class are commonly known as brown algae due to the presence of a brown xanthophyll pigments, fucoxanthin and diatoxanthin. Brown algae are found almost exclusively in the shallow water of interdial zones of rocks coastlines in seas. These algae exhibit highest degree of body differentiation among the algal groups. Unicellular and colony forms are totally absent. The plants are bulky and parenchymatous with complex external and internal differentiations. The plant body so differentiates into hold fast, stick and leaf blades. The reserve food material is laminarian and mannitol. This class divide into 9 orders: Ectocarpelles, Tilopetadales, Cutlerillales, Sporochannels, Desmoralities, Laminarilis, Specialialis, Dictolis, and Fucales. These 9 class in Phaeophyceae. Here in table Phaeophyceae, pigments mainly chlorophyll A and C, xanthophyll, and type of flagella is 2 unequal viscous and tin cell lateral flagella, and storage food material is laminarin starch and fats. This is the class Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. The Rhodophyceae is members of this class are commonly called red algae due to the predominations of water soluble red pigment or phyroerythrin. So these algae are called red algae, mostly marine, growing in sublittoral regions. Thallus organization ranges from unicellular palmelloid. The photosynthetic pigments are already given in table. Reproduction. The stored food material are already given in table, and reproduction occurs by asexually and sexually methods. Asexual reproduction occurs by the production of different types of non-motile spores, monospores, neutral spores, and carpospores, and tetraspores. The sexual reproduction is oogamous type. The male sex organ is antheridium and female sex organ is carpogonium. Spermatogonia produce non-motile male gametes called spermatangia. They are carried to carpogonia through the water currents. Carpogonia is flask shaped with a shallow the base containing egg nucleus and an elongated trichogony, and this class consists of 6 orders: Lemninales, Cryptomeliales, and Gingarintinales, Rhodominales, and Ceramiales. This class consists of 6 order, and last one is Cyanophyceae. Cyanophyceae. Members of these are commonly known as blue-green algae, as their principal pigment is bluish-green C-phycocyanin. They also contain chlorophyll A, beta carotene, and C-phycocyanin. So, these algae is blue-green algae are abundant in freshwater or terrestrial habitat. These algal cells are prokaryotic without a definite nucleus and other cell organelles. In some blue-green algae, specialized cells called heterocysts are present. This class is Cyanophyceae. This class pigments are given in table, and flagella is totally absent, and stored food is Cyanophycean and starch. This is algal classification and characters. Some of examples in algae. This is the chlorophyceae green algae. Example Volvox, and this is Chara, gametophyte stage or sporophyte stage, and the second diagram is sexual organs, Ugonium and Antheridium, and Polysyphonia, and Cladophora ectocarpus, and these some examples. So this topic is over, and thank you.